We are Ocean Titan team from Air Force School, Vimannagar, Pune. We have developed a healthcare device for marine personals which is based on Ayurvedic principles. Our healthcare device detects the person is healthy or unhealthy based upon the condition of his tongue. Our project is based on Python and algorithm taken from Ayurvedic principles. This is a PyCam from our model which captures the image of a person's tongue and sends it to the Raspberry Pi, which is a credit size based computer which processes the image and runs it on a parameter based on Ayurveda and our specially developed Python code. It will just run the parameters, check whether it's the person is healthy or not healthy upon the parameter, and then it will indicate it with our sensors, which is here. The Python is developed by Yes Rao.
So I have used TensorFlow model for image processing. It compares our tongue with a healthy tongue and unhealthy tongue, and after that, it uses Matplotlib library to for showing up the result. Now, Surya Pratap will explain about the Ayurveda.
So there is a shlok in Ayurveda, Rogakranta Sharirasya Thanani Ashto Parikshayet Nadim Malam Mutram Jivham Shabdam Sparsham Drikakriti. So basically this shlok means that to diagnose or identify the diseases of the body, there has to be examination on 12 organs of the body. Those are Nadi pulse, Malam feces, Mutram urine, Jivham tongue, Shabdam voice, Sparsham skin, Drik eye, and Akriti the body shape or body dimension. So we have chosen of all these 8, we have chosen the tongue. So basically our model, as Ashwin explained, decides whether the user is healthy or unhealthy. But currently it is in the initial stage. We aim to make a model that will also tell us whether the user is healthy or unhealthy, and if the user is unhealthy, then it will also tell the details such as the disease name, in which organ the disease is prevalent, what is the intensity of the disease, and is it incurable or curable. Our final objective is to create a complete kit of 8 modules where each of these 8 organs I mentioned earlier will be examined, and an AI model will compile all the results and give you a complete, quick, non-invasive report of your health within minutes. This is specifically designed for marine personals who stay at the sea for long terms, such as 2 to 3 years. As you can imagine, the resources are very scarce and the diagnostic tools are very expensive or non-available. Our model aims to give them accurate diagnosis tool by which they can decide whether they are healthy or unhealthy, and the further treatment can be taken accordingly. I have done the idea and innovation, so I am behind the idea.
I have developed the hardware.
I have developed the software.
Our team is Ocean Titans. Thank you.